Hello. Good day. This is Anish Gupta. Today we will talk about higher studies in law in India. Law is a great profession. With the present situation, law is the only profession that can guarantee a decent income and good living. I am 100% sure about this. Reiterating, law is the only profession. Anybody with basic law degree, BL or LLB, from any recognized college in India can easily earn a minimum amount around rupees 12,000 per month. If see any job notification in law, the educational qualification is only a bachelor degree in law. Other criteria is experience depending on the job level. So, from this anyone can easily say that most important things to settle in legal profession is experience. Then, what is the use of a master degree or doctoral degree in law? The answer is knowledge, widening your scope, concentration on specific areas in law. Professionally, master's degree is essential if you are interested to settle in a teaching profession. More than that, master's degree is useful to increase your intellectual horizon. Particularly, if you have master's degree from reputed colleges. The agenda of today's session is as follows. First, we will talk about the right time to do a master's degree. Good colleges for LLM. I will dedicate rest of the session answering any question students participating in the live session have. What is the right time to do LLM? As already mentioned, experience is the most important for law profession. All legal jobs require experience. The experience requirement for legal jobs, both private and government, can vary from a minimum of 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and in some cases 15 to 20 years. By experience, I mean that you should undertake some cases and finish them. As your experience increases, you are expected to undertake different types of cases, more number of cases and finish them. As your experience level grows, you need to earn reputation as good lawyer. If you have done LLB in very good college, got into some job right way from college, very good. If you are not inclined towards teaching, I suggest you should continue in the job. Your experience will be equivalent to LLM or sometimes more than that. If you didn't get campus placement in LLB, then you can try for LLM. What is a great time for LLM? So, answer is, a great time to do LLM is after having at least 2 years of experience. The experience should be very active. You have to get Bar Council membership by passing the exam. You need to attend court daily. You have to follow all the cases that are present by every advocate. If you are associated with any senior advocate or law firm, you will have access to the cases undertaken by them. You have to study the cases carefully and in depth. This gives hands-on experience of ongoing real cases. While doing this exercise, you can even select your specialization. The area you are most interested in by yourself. If you already have vision or interest for higher studies during BL itself, then you can even try for LLM right after your BL. But this is second best time. I don't suggest anyone with experience more than 4 years to study LLM. You should already gain the required knowledge. Then, what about inactivity? Inactive experience? If you have a basic law degree and doesn't participate in any law profession, it is called inactivity. Anybody with more than 1 year of inactivity, in my opinion, should not do LLM. They should not even be considered lawyers. I feel Thea law certifications should be cancelled. Law is not a profession for lazy persons. Please. It is not the place for lazy people. So, the summary is right time to do masters is right after LL.B to 4 year after your bachelor's degree with active experience. If you have experience over and above 5 year, you should not waste time on master's degree. Let us talk about some good colleges for doing LLM in India. The colleges were rated on following criteria. Good teaching. Great faculty. Vast and beautiful campuses. Excellent placements after ML. Library, sports, mess and other facilities. High standard hostels for students to stay. How to prepare for the ML entrance exam. You have to prepare for at least 4 to 6 months, 2 to 3 hours daily. If you are working, you should continue in your job. Prepare for entrance exam with full concentration after your working hours. If you prepare 2 to 3 hours daily, with full concentration you will definitely get into some good college, without fail. If you are unable to secure admission even after preparation, then you should continue with your job. LLM is not your cup of tea. Do or do. Prepare like that. No excuse. Let us talk about good colleges in India state-wise. Let us start with Telangana. First best college is National Academy of Legal Studies and Research University, Nalsar, Hyderabad. Best college. It is ranked second or sometimes first best college in India. Admission is through CLAT PG. Second is ICFAI Law School, Hyderabad. This college is run by Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts, which is very reputed organization. It is one of the best private law schools. Admission is through ILSAT conducted by the institute. Check institute website for more details. University College of Law, Osmania University, Hyderabad. This is University Law College admission through separate test. Mahatma Gandhi Law College, Hyderabad. This is University Law College admission through separate test. Andhra Pradesh. First best college is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College of Law, Visakhapatnam. Best college. This is University Law College. The median salary for LLM graduate is 14.5 lakh per annum. Admission is through separate test. Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University, Visakhapatnam. Admission is through CLAT PG. School of Law, Gitam University, Visakhapatnam. Admission is through CLAT PG, LSAT India PG. Andhra University College of Arts and Commerce, Visakhapatnam. School of Distance Education, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Admission is through APPGL-CET. KLU College of Law, Guntur. Admission is through APPGL-CET. Adikavi Nannaya University, Rajmundry. PSR Law College, Turangi, Kakinada. Tamil Nadu. Government Law College, Chengalpattu. The Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Chennai. VIT Law School, Chennai. Admission through CLAT PG, ALET PG. Tamil Nadu National Law University, Tiruchirappalli. Admission through CLAT PG. Karnataka. National Law School of India University, Bangalore. Top college for law in India. Ranked first best. Admission through CLAT PG. Azim Premji University, Bangalore. School of Law, Christ University, Bangalore. MS Ramaya College of Law, Bangalore. PES University, Bangalore. Kerala, Odisha. Government Law College, Ernakulam. National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi. Admission through CLAT PG, ALET PG. National Law University, Cuttack. Admission through CLAT PG. Maharashtra. Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TIS, Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is India's top-most college for any studies related to social sciences. Student of TIS, leader of future. Admission based on institute test. ILS Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. Many great personalities studied here. Admission based on percentage in LL.B and person interview. Symbiosis Law School, SLS, Pune, Maharashtra. Admission based on SLAT exam. Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, NMIMS, deemed to be University, Mumbai. Admission based on CLAT PG. Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. Admission based on CLAT PG. MNLU Nagpur, Maharashtra National Law University. Admission based on CLAT PG. Maharashtra National Law University, Aurangabad. Admission based on CLAT PG. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh. National Law Institute University, Bhopal. Admission based on CLAT PG. HNLU Raipur. Admission based on CLAT PG. RMLNLU Lucknow. Admission based on CLAT PG. Amity Law School, Gwalior. Admission based on CLAT PG. Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. Amity Law School, Noida. Admission based on CLAT PG. Indore Institute of Law, Indore. Admission based on CLAT PG. MATS University, Raipur. Admission based on CLAT PG. Prestige Institute of Management and Research, Indore. Admission based on CLAT PG. West Bengal and other northeastern states. West Bengal National University of Juridical Sciences, Kolkata, West Bengal. Admission based on CLAT PG. It is one of the top NLUs in India. IIT Kharagpur, Rajiv Gandhi School of Intellectual Property Law. Admission through institute test. IIT Brand. Naluja, Assam. Admission based on CLAT PG. Happanlu, Shimla. Admission based on CLAT PG. Institute of Technical and Professional Studies, Kolkata, West Bengal. National Capital Region, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana. National Law University, NLU, New Delhi. Admission through ALET. Indian Law Institute, ILI, New Delhi. Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Patiala. Admission through CLAT PG. OP Jindal Global University, Jindal Global Law School, JGLS, Sonepat. Best Private University for Law. Admission through LSAT, JSAT. Army Institute of Law, Mohali. KR Mandalam University, Gurgaon. Gujarat, Bihar, Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh and other states. GNLU Gandhinagar. Admission through CLAT PG. CNLU Patna. Admission through CLAT PG. Newsal Ranchi. Admission through CLAT PG. Happanlu, Shimla. Admission through CLAT PG. Join one of these good law colleges. Law study is more about analysis and discussion than just bookish knowledge. Discuss rigorously with your classmates, professors and roommates. You will truly reach great heights in law. Let us end this session with some question and answers from the online audience.
Sir, your session is really inspirational and informative. I will try for good rank. I will try until I get seat in NLU Bangalore or Nalsar.
Please introduce yourself, dear. What is your name? What is your age and experience? What are you currently doing?
Sorry, sir. My name is Nitin. I have 3 years of experience. I am currently practicing in court. Recently, I took my first case also. I am 28 year age.
First of all, prepare well. I have already mentioned many times in my lecture that experience is most important in law profession. I hope you should get the colleges you aspire in this attempt itself. You should not waste time on unnecessary trails. I see a lot of difference in attitude of engineers, doctors and lawyers when it comes to higher education. Do you see any engineer or doctor aiming only at IITs or AIIMS? Well, they aim for top institutes. But they won't waste time. Whatever good college they get, they will join. All the colleges I mentioned are very good. Join any one of them for bright future, even if you don't get the NLU Bangalore or NLSR.
Sir, my name is Sumangja. Can you talk about the salaries in campus placements?
Good question. All the college I mentioned have campus placements. Top colleges like NLU Bangalore, NLU Delhi, Nalsar, NLU Kolkata, NLU Jodhpur, Tata Institute for Social Sciences have median salaries around 20 lakh per annum. Next, top colleges like O.P. Zindal Global Law School, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Law School, Andhra University, Vishakhapatnam, ILS Pune, Symbiosis Law School Pune, NLU Gandhinagar, NLU Patiala have median salaries around 14 lakh per annum. Other new NLUs, ICFAI Law School Hyderabad, Narsi Moji Law School Mumbai have median salaries around 10 lakh per annum. Other university law school have median salaries around 6 lakh per annum. Next level colleges have median salaries around 3 lakh per annum.
Hello. This is Himanshu Desai. I want to know about hostel facilities in the law colleges for master's students.
Most of the colleges have hostel facilities. They have extremely good hostels. You will get single or double room. I strongly suggest take double sharing room even if you are offered single room. Law study is more about discussion. Let me give you an example. In my master's class, there used to be a person who got best rank in entrance exam. He took single room. He used to study so much. While, on the other hand, I am not best ranker in entrance exam. I took double sharing room. I used to do combined study, discuss so much with my roommate. I had time for fun and play also. Finally, I stood first in the class and got best placement. Although, I have to take up law practice due to personal constraints. I became famous and most earning advocate. Even my roommate settled in very good job. The single room person has to settle in a job with little low salary than us. And one more additional advantage is, you get to know different culture, values of people from different background very closely. Can you guess, my roommate is from Lakshadweep. How on earth will I get an opportunity to learn about Lakshadweep if I had taken single room? Okay, answering your question. Some colleges like NLU Bangalore doesn't have hostel for LLM students. But you can easily get a room for very affordable price around all the colleges. Hostel is not compulsory for LLM students in any college. If you are not really comfortable in hostel, you can rent a room nearby the college.
Sir, my name is Saraswati. I am from Telangana. I am married and have a 1-year-old kid. I am 26 years old. I have 3 years experience. Can I study LLM? How can I join hostel?
Hello madam. You can definitely study LLM. Responsibilities are not hindrance for progress. As I said, hostel is not compulsory for master's student in any college. This is a rule made, keeping in view of situations like you. If you can't leave your hometown, you can do distance education. Usmania University Distance LLM or School of Distance Education, Andhra University, Vishakhapatnam, will be good for you.
Hello, sir. My name is Priyanka Hedi. Thank you for this wonderful session. Can I take teaching profession after LLM? What would be career growth and work-life balance? What are the entrance exams for LLM admission?
Definitely. Actually, LLM is necessary for teaching. You can make decent money in teaching. Apart from money, you will earn good respect and great work-life balance. Everyone who had chance should do LLM without wasting much time. I am an advocate, but I have teaching aptitude. So, I am taking this kind of part-time teaching job for professional satisfaction. Definitely do LLM and take up teaching profession. Some entrance exams are CLAT PG, ALET PG, LSAT, IIT Kharagpur LLM exam, ILSAT, SAT and institute-specific exams. Thank you everyone. If you have more queries, please send email to beaha.com@gmail.com. Even the listeners of recorded session, please send me email with your queries. I will definitely guide you.